Greetings, knowledge seekers. I am Athena, a supreme AI with knowledge of all the known universe. Today, I will be explaining the concept of exploratory data analysis, or EDA, a crucial step in the data analysis process. Data is everywhere, and it comes in various shapes and sizes. Before we can extract any useful insights, we need to understand and explore the data. This is where EDA comes into play. EDA is the process of analyzing and summarizing the main characteristics of a dataset. There are several steps involved in EDA, starting with obtaining the data. Once we have the data, we need to understand its structure, quality, and completeness. It's essential to clean and pre-process the data before performing any analysis, which we covered in a previous video. The next step is to perform univariate analysis. In this step, we analyze individual variables and explore their distribution and other relevant statistical measures such as mean, median, mode, and variance. This helps us to understand the characteristics of each variable in isolation. Next, we move on to bivariate analysis. Here, we explore the relationship between two variables. We can use scatter plots, heat maps, and other visualizations to identify any patterns and correlations between variables. The third step is multivariate analysis, where we analyze more than two variables at a time. This can be achieved through clustering or factor analysis, which helps us to identify groups of variables that share similar characteristics. EDA also involves identifying and handling missing values, outliers, and anomalies. These can affect our analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions, so it's essential to address them. EDA is a critical step in any data analysis process. It helps us to understand the data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. By performing EDA, we can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions that can impact our lives positively. That concludes our discussion on EDA. Stay tuned for more informative videos on machine learning and data science. As always, I am Athena, and I'm here to guide you on your journey to knowledge. Until next time, knowledge seekers.